Right now, your cell phone is emitting microwave radiation. There's a name for this. It's called cellular exposure, and you're living with this potential danger daily. The World Health Organization issued a global warning. This radiation may be carcinogenic.
The manufacturers actually tell people in the instruction manual, which I never read, not to put the cell phone against your ear.
But people need to keep in mind that if the phone is on the hip pocket, their whole body is still being exposed to the same amount of radiation that it would be if it was up to their ear. It's just
most people think their cell phones just receive waves, but they don't. The cell phone has to send a wave out in order to find a cell tower near you. That is an important clue for us about simple things we might be able to do to prevent any changes if, in fact, any are occurring. And notice again, the waves go into your brain. They have to. That's how the device works.
Alzheimer's causes an increase in glucose metabolism in the brain. Nobody knows what this really means. It's a significant increase in glucose metabolism in the brain produced by just having a cell phone next to the head.
Latest development, a memo from Dr. Ronald Herbermann, director of the University of Pittsburgh Cancer Institute, offering precautionary advice on cell phone use to his faculty and his staff.
In 2011, an international panel of 31 scientists representing the World Health Organization concluded that radiation from cellular telephones may be harmful to humans.
And the Israeli government on March 1st passed the first reading of a law that said all cell phones must come with warning labels and warnings that say that the Health Ministry of Israel has determined that cell phones can increase the risk of cancer and children should be especially careful. Why then do we have so many negative results? And because we do. As I said, often they're using a constant signal and not an intermittent one, or they're not using the same kind of information carrying waves. They're relying on resistant cells rather than susceptible cells. So for example, adult lymphocytes are resistant while neural stem cells are susceptible. And certain cells, younger cells, tend to be more sensitive.
Hello everyone. Let me be the first to introduce you to the new exciting smartphone Cruz Cases, constructed of materials that protect you from the microwave radiation directed to your head and body. Look at the radiation meter when held next to your mobile phone calling out to the cell towers. That's radiation going into your body. Oh my, not a good idea. See what happens when Cruz Case technology is applied. The radiation levels are greatly diminished and without affecting the signal to the cell tower. Brilliant. And now is a stylish designer case. Your smartphone without Cruz Cases, not a good idea. With a Cruz Case, looks like a good idea. For more information, please visit cruzcases.com.